So, hey, I created a Warriors reference sheet. So it has the name, description, family, clan, role, pronouns, age, speed, agility, strength, skill, and other information in case there's anything that you want that I didn't add. And I'll show you my OC now. So her name is Kestrel Leaf. Her description is a calico she-cat with red ear tufts and pretty blue eyes with hints of green. I forgot to add ear tufts in the drawing. Family, Yarrow Twig, mother, Blackwing, father, Rose Snow, sister. Clan, Thunder Clan, role, medicine, cat, pronouns, /her. Age, 1 year and 2 moons. Speed, 4, agility 6, strength 4, skill 7. Other information: when she was 4 moons old, she fell and scraped most of her eye off. It healed after a moon or so, but not without its mark. She forever became half blind. And yeah, I tried to match her face in Roblox. You'll see that in just a second. So here we go. This is Kestrel Paw, the younger version of her, 8 moons old. Very detailed face. I got some of the spots. She has a black little throat, and her tail, I accidentally made a pattern. I was trying to make it random. She has a little flower on her ear that's like, yeah. She also has calico, because she is calico. Game, her eyebrow thingies are gray, but on the drawing I made them orange. So I took the colors straight from 2 screenshots in the game to the art. But I only had 2 screenshots and none of them were front facing, so this is what you get. Her flower, let's just say she grew out of that and that I totally didn't forget to draw it. She has a black back leg with some of the orange toes in the front. With the orange toes. In the game, she doesn't have green in her eyes, but in the drawing, she does, if you look very closely. So in the actual video, I forgot to say this, but, bye. I actually just cut it out, but, like, yeah. I have to. Okay, yeah, bye.